So today we're going on a little trip. I know it's been a while since I filmed anything, but today, what's this place called? B.
Me don't know.
What's this place called? Sylvia, jak nazywa ten place?
Miejsce? Hveragerði.
Okay. So later we're going for a swim in that. Right? A swim in that. A swim in that. Pływamy później?
Take the water off.
Tam?
Maybe.
What is your favorite thing about Iceland? What is your favorite thing about Iceland? So jest twoja ulubiona rzecz.
She understands. She's thinking.
Berta.
Iceland is very wait wild.
Wild.
Yeah.
Wild? Iceland is wild?
Yeah.
Iceland is wild?
Yes.
Yeah?
Jak pojedziesz gdzieś daleko, tam nie ma nic, dziko.
To jest tak wild.
No.
Bush.
Nie, taka...
Like, nie ma rozwój.
No, taka... Nic
Underdeveloped.
nie ma, wiesz, jest... No,
Not developed, yeah?
o tym bardziej to jest...
Like nature, yeah? Natura.
No,
Yeah. So you like that Iceland is very naturistic
nie. Mi to-
country. Yeah. And you, Mariusz?
Ja też.
Ja też. Repeta.
So it's steam coming from the earth.
Well, yeah, from Earth, yeah.
Another small city over here. So we found parking at some place. Now we're gonna go for a walk. Gingy! Are you Jiminy? So now we're at the restaurant about to get some good pizza. Last restaurant we went to, we were waiting 500 minutes and no one came to us. We were offended.
Julla.
Okay, so we got pizza. I forgot to vlog. Halfway there.
Nie mów z pełną buzią. Dobra była pizza.
Out of 10, how much would you give the pizza? Sylvia?
Are you asking me?
Yeah. Out of 10.
9.
9. Mariusz?
10.
10. Vicky?
Ten tamten. 9.5.
9.5.
I'll give it a 7.
Wow.
Stop that cap.
Yeah,
Stop that
7.
cap. No.
I've eaten better pizzas.
Oh, of course, but at least 8.5.
Okay, 7.9.
I'll say 8.9 because too much cheese.
To jest... It's never too much cheese.
Too much cheese.
Never too much cheese.
Very good, very nice.
I thought you were team... It's never
Cheese.
too much cheese.
But
We're heading home now. He wants to sleep.
that's the jail. They say it's overcrowded, but I say it's like 10 people in there. It's Iceland, man. Come on. I think the worst crime someone can do to end up there is to probably steal a bread or something. It's Iceland, man. What could someone possibly have done?
They kill people. Iceland's not that safe. Like they say these.
Man,
There was a murder. Yesterday.
murder in their minds. They don't have none.
I got murder on my mind.
See, it's
Yellow
Iceland.
tape around his body and I'm fucking on my
If you
side.
say you're a gangster and you're from Iceland, bro, just stop.
Just laugh.
Just stop, bro. You can't be a gangster and you're from Iceland.
Just laugh.
Now we're going for a small walk through the hood, but my shoes ain't meant for this. Like, Vicky, my shoes get dirty, you gonna have to wipe.
I told you what we're gonna do.
Breda.